Hey, okay, I'm watching.
Okay, so what you do is you buy it only works with decoys and smokes. You crouch in front of the hostage, you aim straight up, and then you aim down about a third of a tile, and it'll get stuck.
Decoys out!
Yeah.
That's only two. That's only two, and it's really loud.
Oh my god. Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah, if you do it with like 2 people, you get up to 8 up there. Like they're staring at it.
Yeah, they're like, what the fuck? It's so loud when my volume is like almost all the way down as well.
Imagine 8 grenades, that's only 2. If you both did it, you could get up to 8.
I know. Oh, how they make it.
It's still going.
Oh, it's still going.
I didn't think it was loud.
I had my volume all the way down. It's so loud.
Oh, let me get you guys to bind.
I didn't think that would stay.
Stop throwing the grenade
Kick back in.
his head.
That's funny.
So fucking annoying.
Oh!
Yeah, look, they're saying it's
That training wheels, kids.
Okay, how do I...
Oh hi,
Stop
what's
doing
going on,
that.
bro?
Okay, how, what? I don't see how to switch to
I got
spectator.
2.
Stop doing that.
Oh, I see. So, alright, so whereabouts were you aiming? Like,
Yeah, just aim it straight up and then down a little bit. Oh no!
they killed one.
They just warned me. Like 4 people saw me do it.
Just wrecked some dude's face.
I wonder if an aimbot would make people mad in this game.
That would definitely make them extremely angry. I got disconnected for reason
Alright, I'm
wheels.
gonna buy one.
What?
Wheels?
Wheels? What have I done?
Oh, he has a Joe fucking prick, mate.
These guys haven't noticed I keep doing it, and they're like, I don't know, noticing or what.
Oh, get pooped on, kid.
This is
Suck
pretty
your mom.
Oh, get pooped on, kid. Oh my god,
Get
you're
pooped
so
on.
gay. Get
I know, I'm
pooped
way
on,
better than you,
kid.
dude.
Oh my god, get pooped on.
Wow, this guy's cheating.
Dude, just get pooped on.
You're just shit, mate. Done though.
Oh my god, you
I'm
dudes
shit.
need to get pooped on.
Yeah, you're fucking...
so gay.
MLG 12, dude.
Oh my god, AOB, get pooped on.
Counter-terrorists win.
Wait, this guy's such a cunt. Yeah, I know he's a cunt.
Who?
He's a massive wanker. You,
Oh
mate,
my god,
you.
get pooped on, baby.
How am I?
Ready?
I guess you are what you eat.
Training
You're
wheels,
just
go get pooped
a
on.
fucking waste, man. I'd stab you in the face if I saw you.
I'm throwing a grenade.
Yeah, right, dude. You're probably like 5'4". Little fucking European kid.
Dude, he's like 5'2", don't chat shit.
Ooh, do you lift?
I think I'm gonna pump some M&M out of
So,
my
do you want to
speakers,
be a
bro.
poopy, if you know what I mean?
A grenade.
Do you even lift? Go get pooped on.
I do lift. How much? I'm benching like 85.
Let's go.
Ah, shit, mate. Whoa, pussy. Pussy.
Where's Dylan? This guy's getting so pissed. The fucking British dude.
Let's go.
He's getting so mad.
Since you will repent in the church of the hallowed Urdu blood god, I will bathe in your blood and feed your bones to the crows, infidel.
Oh my days.
Usually you don't make fun of people before you're like 8 or 9.
Bro, it's cause I'm 12.
There you go. Let's go, guys. Come on, let's go.
No, I'm just joking. I'm like 47.
Decoys out. Throwing smoke.
You sound fat too.
Yeah,
man, that's because I am, huh?
I bet you lift though. I bet you're fat, but I bet you lift every day.
Yeah, man, I'm like a
Yeah, you sound like a bear.
I'm throwing a grenade.
No, I don't know if he sounds like a bear, but I think he might lift bears.
Yeah,
Do you lift bears?
Yeah, I lift bears. I squat them.
Nice, nice.
Do you get pooped on by bears?
No, you get pooped on by bears though.
That's true.
I think we
Just
might
start
be
making fun
winning.
of Europe.
Go, go, go!
Just make fun of Europe.
Let's stop. I want to stop annoying voice.
Hey Lance, shut the fuck up.
Yeah, I can't take your accent, dude. Speak real American.
I'm not American, you fucking retard.
Well,
Flashbang.
you're speaking American, so do it right.
No, I'm fucking speaking English, you prick.
Grenade.
Yeah, jackass.
Can you tell me something? If you're British, why are you speaking American?
I'm not speaking American.
It sounded like rocket.
Flashbang.
Well,
Yeah,
okay,
sounds
I'll
like
give you
you're
that.
trying to
I guess
speak
when you're
British
speaking,
people.
I guess you're speaking closer to Canadian. I'll give you that much. But I mean, you're definitely not speaking British. So I can't believe that you're British.
You guys chat shit.
You can't talk British.
Just
change the accent.
Arab.
Listen, dude, you're close, you're close. If you just polish up the English skills and maybe the Counter-Strike, you'll be way better off.
Mate, I'll
Just need to get a little bit better. You're almost there. Hey guys, can you turn your mics up? I can't hear you over the noises.
Alright, hang on. Let me turn mine up. I think I turned it down earlier by
Yeah,
mistake.
it's real loud in here. I can't really hear your voices.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
No, I can't.
Wait, I'm gonna turn.
Can you turn the volume up a little bit?
Why would you do that with the grenades? What the fuck?
Yo,
I
shut the fuck up.
don't know why somebody would do that. It's still a little quiet.
Mega, don't even fucking talk.
It's still a little loud in here with
Oh
all
my
these
god, dude, you
noises.
suck, man, you
Oh
suck.
my god, dude. Oh my god, dude, you suck. Get the fuck up, baby.
So I can't hear you over those noises in here.
Alright, how's this? Is this a little better?
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
I think I got it adjusted properly now.
Please, dude, just stop fucking yelling, it's mental.
I wasn't yelling, somebody told me they couldn't hear me, so I turned my mic up right. I mean, if it's a little loud, I could probably turn it down a little. I know exactly
Please turn it down, man, then go have sex with the girl, because you have no
I still
life.
can't really hear him that well.
Like the volume. Can you stop the leg glitching, please, and then trying to kick other people?
Hey guys, how about this? If you stop grenade glitching, right, then you won't have to turn our mics up to here, right?
Why are you doing it to us? It's your team that's grenade glitching, not us.
What are you talking about? I'm trying to get my mic set up.
Alright, don't you
I'm trying to fix my volumes here.
Hey, Cadence, how's that? Actually, Cadence, I'll turn it down a little bit more just for you, because I think you have really good hearing, and I think it might hurt your ears.
Counter-terrorists win.
Oh man, unreal, dude, it just gave me the biggest headache.
Let's show them we mean business. Decoys out. I'm throwing smoke.
Oh yeah,
Decoys out.
I'm Michael Stein.
Fire. Smoke. Burning it all down.
Michael Stein.
I'm throwing a grenade.
Is anybody else hearing this horrible noise?
Yeah, it's annoying.
Yeah, what's the deal with that?
Throwing fire.
I don't know. Are we doing it, or has it been like that? Because
Looks like there's shit all up in this dude's grill.
I'm coming with you, let's go.
Counter-terrorists win.
Idiot, why didn't you go in with me? You didn't see him there? Stupid asses. Idiots. Stupid pussies. You wouldn't just fight him together, but you backed up. Idiots. Man, you're so dumb. I swear, if the terrorists were any smarter than you guys, they would kill you all and you would deserve it.
Are you mad?
getting to him.
Is anyone hearing the multiple grenades now?
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
It's really annoying.
Really annoying.
I think you're just hearing things.
Oh my god, I'm bad.
Jesus. Can we stop doing the grenade glitch?
Decoys out.
Who keeps doing nades?
I'm throwing smoke.
Oh my god, bro, seriously. Not cool.
Decoy. Flashbang.
It's a disco in here, guys. Let's dance.
I don't know why you guys being annoying.
Let's dance.
Knock that shit off. It's your third time doing that shit. Stop it.
Stop what?
Fucking throwing smoke and shit. Goddamn. Smoke.
Bro. Yeah, I'm gonna get you kicked.
How about you suck my nuts?
Yeah, no.
You kids are cute.
Why not? They're pretty goddamn
Yeah, I don't know what this
tasty.
guy's deal is. You know, he thinks he's fucking admin on here.
Yeah, that motherfucker's gonna be bump firing him.
Why are you talking like that? Sounds like you smoked a lot.
Oh, you
Dude, he has a condition.
Baby, too.
That is not cool.
Oh well, who cares?
He has a condition.
Not my problem.
You need to be more loving.
Let's go.
Bushmaster's getting ready to do it again. What?
Flashbang.
Nope, he ran away.
Decoys out.
What was he doing? He's gonna stack the grenade on the hostage head like he's been doing for half an hour.
It's really annoying.
Told you not to do it. Smoke.
Oh.